Hello everyone, I'm Michelle and I'm a Filipino living in Australia. This is day 5 of my vlog series, moving from Brisbane to Sydney, Australia. I started my day by getting some boxes from the garage to the apartment. Then I proceeded to open the carpet. I'm so excited to open up this carpet and check out how it looks like. Hope it fits. It's really soft carpet. It's from Turkey. And I just love the pattern. It's so beautiful. You know, when you're waiting for something for so long, you're just so excited to open it up, and this is my chance. And yay! It fits! And then I got ready and went to the gym. It's Zumba class. I love Zumba. I just feel happy dancing. My body just automatically sways when I hear some groovy music. It's the Filipino genes. And then I went home and I just tidied up a bit. And I cleaned the couch again and I took out the stain. Yay! Then my husband came home and we decided to open up the TV. Tested it out just to make sure nothing's damaged. And then we just sat down and talked about our day. I think it's just nice to sit down at the end of the day and share some notes on what happened. Stay tuned for day 6. Day 7 will be the last of my vlog series. Thank you everyone!